We are using the mom cam on this, my first day of farm duty. Hi everybody! Are y'all ready? Ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Yeah, okay. Now go get your food. No playing ball. A chicken. Okay, muddy. Here we are at the feed room. The breakfast of champions. All right. Oh, somebody's ready to eat. What? Can't eat strings. Okay. First we feed the ponies, because they're the kings of the world. Ponies! Ponies! Nice dirty shadow. So bright. Chores. And Cody gets fed over here because they kind of fight. Now they're just crabby to each other. So, hi, buddy. Hi, Cody boy. Here you go. What a muddy mess. Ponies are fed. Get over here. They're waiting for their food. They have to wait. Alrighty. Next, there's the goats. Everybody's dying. Yeah. Just a minute, you guys. Buttercup's helping herself. I tied it too tight. There you go. And then take these. Everybody's happy. Sam is in with everybody. He thinks that's his spot, apparently. Really. Walking on everybody's head. Sam. Goats. Oh, yeah. Anyways, they're happy. Two little goodies. Maggie does, but let's see. Oh, close. Sorry, guys. They won't mind. I'll get better. Or I'll move it closer. Hi, Maggie. their hay. He wants to play ball. Oh. There's Ratchet. And Luna over there, if you can see her. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Luna.